Caitlin. Great question. So you've already kind of come up with the solution set, right? But there's one little wrinkle on these ones, and that is the less than or equal sign. So yes, we have, we're going to have our three intervals and we have to exclude them. But we also have to check each of these little boundaries because the boundary itself might be a solution. That's kind of how I think about it. So let's take negative 3 over 2 and we'll sub that in for x. So we have 4 times 2 over negative 3 over 2. Then we're going to have 2 times negative 3 over 2 plus 3. Okay, so on the top here, we're going to have negative 2 times negative 3, which is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I have 4 plus 3 on the top. And then down here, I'm going to have negative 6 divided by 2, which is negative 3 plus 3. So you can see that we're going to have 7 over 0, which is undefined. Okay, so we can say with confidence that negative 3 over 2 is not part of the solution set. Up to and including negative 3 over 2 is. Okay? Now let's do the same thing with 2. I have 4 take away 2 times 2. That's going to be over 2 times 2 plus 3. So on the top now we're going to have 4 minus 4 over 4 plus 3 is 7. We're going to have 0 over 7, which just equals 0. Okay, so we get 0 out of that. So you can see that 0 obviously is equal to 0. So we can say that 2 is part of the solution set. So that's why it gets the hard bracket. So I guess the take-home message here is whenever you have greater than or equal to or less than equal to, basically always just take an extra minute and check those boundary points. We know what the solution is because a lot of the time you may be able to include it in your solution. Okay, hope that helps.